falling in love. If we band together like birds of a feather, we'll be friends forever, going up, up, up. Team up, 'cause it's not too late. We can save the day if we collaborate. Team up, 'cause it's up to us, but it's hard to save the world. Yeah, it's hard to save the world when you're falling in love.
Yawn. I'm so tired walking up like this. I have to go to school. Ha ha. For breakfast, I think I will have some ramen. Yeah. Okay. Time to go to school. Oh. Fidel Castro-chan. What's a kawaii waifu like you doing? Walking in the hall. Yeah. Meow.
終わりました。それから61年後の2006年のことでした。
Oh my. Really? You want to go to the Sun Cafe with little old me? But I'm just a baka. Why would such a hot waifu like you want to do anything with me?
アメリカに住む人から日本にいる人に手紙が来たそうです。
Gasp! You really thought my karaoke was that good? Well, if you really want to, sure. Super genius kawaii boy Toyota-kun will go to the Sun Cafe with you tonight. Hot waifu material girl Fidel Castro-chan. It's a date.
What? That fucking cunt stole my fucking senpai! What the fuck? I'm going to fucking kill myself!
The recording started.
Oh, okay.
So, your dreams.
Yeah, I've been having, those dreams again, with the red room and the cage.
Care to elaborate?
Well, last night, I had a dream where I was in a red room. I wasn't in a cage, not this time, but at a table. There was a candle in front of me, otherwise it was dark. But I heard screaming from outside. I kept hearing voices after the screaming stopped. I think it was those statues, but I don't know.
The ones from the other dreams?
Yeah, I actually drew some of them here.
Dreamwalkers?
That's what I'm calling them. Just calling them the statues feels weird to me.
Ah, I see.
Oh, and after a bit, I remember being in the woods. I don't know how I got there at all, but I heard some other voices. From somewhere. I couldn't locate them at all. I was the only one there.
You're doing excellent. What's wrong? Speak when you're spoken to.
Please.
Please what, Aid?
Please, let me go. I just want to go home.
And then I woke up.